Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital. The US market, Euro versus the US dollar. The movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder and director, Dr. Mann.
Morning, how's everybody? Nervous times for the markets. Markets are fluctuating, a lot of volatility. The markets have been unnerved by two things. One, the statement that Jay Powell gave that the equities are actually overvalued, that the valuations are too high, and secondly, the fact that there may not be a rate cut again anytime soon, which is what the markets expected. So those two things are actually pushing the markets down and forcing a re-evaluation of the equities. The markets seem to be trying to make a comeback, and I think they will, depending on two things. There's two data points that are coming out. One is the job seeking the job seeking numbers, the ongoing claims, and the new claims, which are going to come out this afternoon at 1:30 London time, 5:30 Pakistan time. That is one of the data points. And the second data point that the markets, and the bigger data point, is going to be the PCE number that's going to come out tomorrow, which is the favored inflation gauge of the Federal Reserve. So those two, if the job numbers show that the claims have gone up, that would mean that would increase the prospects of a rate cut. And tomorrow, if the inflation numbers have come down, again that would increase the prospects of a rate cut. So markets are going to be watching both these numbers today. We'll get both of these at 1:30 p.m. London time today and tomorrow. So watch out for those, because those are going to be big catalysts for the market. More so PCE than the claims numbers, but still they matter. Now, as the markets have come down, so has the price of gold, and as the markets are trying to make a comeback, gold prices are also looking to go up. With that, Bitcoin has had a bit of a tumble as well. Fell to 111, went to 113, has fallen again to 111,500 at this point in time. Oil prices have actually gone up, given all the recent geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine and Donald Trump and sanctions and all those things. So that is pushing oil prices up. And the US dollar, it obviously, when the markets tumble, so does the US dollar tends to climb. But this time, the US dollar hasn't climbed because of strength in the euro, and the US dollar is actually taking a beating. So the US dollar has actually come down to about 1.173. So on the whole, nervous times. Markets are waiting for a possible data point coming out today, which is the claim numbers, and tomorrow, which is the PCE numbers. That will, I think, ease the nerves. I think the ongoing claims would have risen. I think they will rise, and that will encourage the markets. The bad news is good news scenario. On rise in claims is never good news, but the markets are going to interpret that as good news, because that will mean that the rate cut increases the prospects of a further rate cut. And then the PCE numbers tomorrow. I think the PCE numbers tomorrow will also be encouraging. The PCE numbers, especially the core PCE, is usually not influenced by tariffs, and it has not been influenced so far. So my prediction is that the claim numbers is going to go up, and the PCE numbers are going to come down, and as a result of that, the markets are going to rally.